Hi, today I'm going to be sharing with you this set of Meeall mesh laundry bags for delicates. I got these for review and I was going to show you how wonderful that I think these are. There's 6 of them that come in the package. There are 3 large size, as you can see the size here, and there's medium size that you can see here. This is an organic cotton. It has a nice smell to it. It's soft and it's sturdy enough to hold up to your delicates in the wash. The zippers on these bags are very good quality and they're easy to open and close. So again, here's the large and here's the medium up against it. Okay, let's do some laundry. All right, I have 2 large bags and 1 medium bag, all ready to go, full of my garments. So let's get them washed. All clean. All of my garments were well taken care of. I'm so happy. Excellent laundry bags, and I'm happy to recommend them. Thanks for listening and watching my video.